One of the most essential parts of the application process that universities will be looking for is the work experience. Most universities require a minimum of 2 weeks in general dental practice. That is their minimum requirement. What it does is it allows you to gain an insight into the field. It will confirm your career interest and suitability, but also it highlights for you if it is the correct way or path for you in the future. You will also be able to gain indirect experience by working possibly at reception and interacting with patients. Let's have a look at what some of the universities say regarding work experience. So we have a university such as Birmingham saying, it declares your commitment, involvement and understanding of the need to be working and benefiting or being a benefit to others. University of Belfast in Northern Ireland says, it shows evidence of commitment and motivation when you spend 2 weeks in a general dental practice watching the dentist and how they work. It shows evidence of what the candidate has done to find out about dentistry as a career. What does Sheffield mention about these 2 weeks? It says, the dental course and career is demanding and requires people who are self-motivated and have good time management. That is what you need to show from your work experience. Now, what I advise is that you do a variety of different settings in a dental work. So not just the 2 weeks of general dental practice, because if you think about it, if that is the minimal requirement, most people will actually be doing that. So we want to always give you that edge and advantage over your competitors. So what we say is you should definitely do some private work experience as well, not just under the NHS. If you can get some work experience in an orthodontist, that would be excellent. And what I did during my gap year is I went to my own personal orthodontist who allowed me to kind of work as a nurse. So I would be handing over the instruments, and I wrote about that in my personal statement. I spoke about that in my interview, and they really loved that because it was different from everybody else. You could also go to different dental hospitals, and they should allow you to do some work experience there where you will be able to see a lot more surgery and hands-on in the head and neck region. So things like MaxFax, etc. Now, going forward from here, what you'll need to be able to do is concisely be able to mention that in your personal statement. And this is the key. You need to mention what you learn from each experience so that the universities can see that you are committed, you know what you're getting yourself into this beautiful and amazing career ahead of you.